Good day everyone, it's your host Lance and we're going to tackle about cyberbullying and we have a wild guest but unfortunately she want to hide her identity for her privacy. Okay, let's start now. Can you tell me about your experience with cyberbullying? How did it start and what happened?
Nag-start yung cyberbullying na yun nung grade 11 ako. And nag-start yan dahil ako ay close ako sa mga boys. And halos lahat ng boys parang sinasamahan ko talaga. Like, walang mali siya. Close lang talaga ako sa boys that time. Tapos, meron akong mga classmates na kada may kasama kong lalaki pinipicturean and sinesend sa GC nila, sa circle of friends nila, sinesend nila yon.
How did cyberbullying make you feel? Did it affect your schoolwork or your relationship with others?
Ayun, nung yung cyberbullying na nangyari na yun, nawalan ako ng friends noon. Mag-isa ako kumakain pag recess and nakalimutan ko kung paano makipag-interact.
Did you tell anyone about what happened? Like a parent, teacher, or a friend? How did they help you?
Yung una kong sinabihan, of course, yung parents ko. And sumugod sila sa school para kausapin yung guidance, yung teachers. Tapos sabi ng teacher ko is kakausapin niya yung parents ng mga involved, like yung lahat ng nasa GC. And ayun, nagkaroon nga sila ng meeting.
What did you do to try to stop the bullying? Like blocking the person or reporting it? Did it work?
Binlock ko yung mga classmates ko, including my teachers, na walang ginawa. Pero meron kasing parang friends of friends nga na yung friend ng classmate ko dati, friend ko rin sa Facebook, ganyan, may mga posts pa rin ako nakikita. Kaya, nag-deact ako ng social media.
What do you think parents, teachers, or schools can do to help kids who go through cyberbullying and prevent it from happening?
I think yung parents, kamustahin nyo yung mga anak nyo kung okay sila sa school. Kasi ako, sobrang grateful ako na lagi akong kinakamusta ng parents ko pag galing akong school. And open ako sa kanila. And syempre gusto ko sana lahat ng student maging open din sila sa parents nila. Teachers naman, sana pakinggan nyo yung mga students and sana, kasi ako, nahirapan ako na maniwala sa akin yung teacher kasi, dati akong pasaway na estudyante. Kaya parang wala sigurong tiwala yung teacher kasi nga pasaway ako dati sobra. Pero sana yung past na yun, kalimutan kung may ganong record yung student kasi bullying is, seryoso yan eh, seryosong bagay yan eh. Diyan, kahit, ayun nga, malaking impact kahit sabing parang yun lang. Sobrang laki ng impact ng bullying sa pag-aaral.